Hi, this is Greg with Pegasus Construction. Just wanted to stop out at our newest project that we're doing. We're saving this project. This started in 2020. We're going on 6 years, and this is the condition that it's been in. Let me walk you around a little bit and show you kind of what we're doing here and what the current condition is. So I want to walk you over. We already took care of rebuilding the fire, or the chimney here. So we need to work. Next thing we need to do is we're gonna start siding, but we've got to grade and knock all this weeds down and clean up a lot of the mess. But we're starting siding this week coming up. So, but we have CMU walls, we have a new garage. We're gonna be laying down some concrete here pretty soon inside of the garage. But we've got a lot of work to do on the outside. Let me show you what's on the inside too. So we're in the back of the house. Wanted to walk you through and show you a little bit about what we're doing here. It's all framed, most of the windows are in, but the floors, we're gonna have to put down a new underlayment on the floor and cover this up. It has seen some water damage and swelling, so we're gonna have to address that. Some of the framing needs to be addressed with some punch lists. We're gonna get new exterior doors in here. We're also gonna have to reframe the stairs, the new kitchen, exterior door. There's an exterior doors in the back. The basement, I can't take you down there because it's full of water. When we got here, there's just about 1.5 feet of water in there, and we've tried to pump it out once, but we're gonna wait again until we get outside completely buttoned up. So stairs, we're gonna have to rebuild. This will be a bathroom over here. So as we go up, we have to remove this platform. This is just a temporary platform that the previous contractor had built. But we have master bedroom, master bathroom, bedroom, Jack and Jill bathroom, laundry room here to the right, another bedroom here, a bathroom, and a bedroom. And then this is gonna be common space or just like unfinished space for now. So, all right, so this is gonna be the project that we're gonna be on for probably the next 8 months or so. So we'll keep you posted on a whole bunch of different things that are going on. So we'll see you around. Bye, guys.